Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Phantom Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Phantom Wallet app on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your secret recovery phrase. Now, once you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the home page from which you can tap on the settings icon at the top left corner to end up in your settings page. Now, from this page, simply tap on Preferences and you will find the Display Language option. Tap on this and you will see the various languages that are available for the application that you can use. Simply go ahead and search for your desired language and simply go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on your desired language, you will see that the application interface and the languages will immediately be changed to the one that you just select. And you can come back to this menu anytime and change your desired language to any language that you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language on the Phantom Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.